G'day legends, your old boy Governor 947 here. I've went and bought myself a 3D printer. I am really looking forward to it. Now, it's been delivered, but is it still going to be there? Because, you know, it's one of those, it was delivered by toll. They don't take things to the post office, they just put them at your front door. I think I'm lucky enough that my front door is a little bit hidden. Now, this 3D printer, what am I going to do with it? I want to make prints and sell them. That's the end goal. But for now, there's a huge learning curve. I want the other lane, and I am learning it. And it's been sort of great fun too, learning all this, because I'm learning a CAD program as well, stuck in here. And yeah, that's really interesting, learning CAD programs. So one thing that I can actually do with this printer is make things for motorbikes. Now the printer, let's talk about the printer. It's a Creality Ender 3 Pro. It's a beginner level and it's quite capable still, and it's got a good sized bed on it as well. Which means I can print bigger things without having to slice them. Yes, there's so many things. Now, one example is I need to make a tablet, as in iPad tablet sort of thing, holder that will hold my tablet on the back of an aircraft seat. Now, I seen one in there. It wasn't for a tablet or an iPad, it was for a phone. So I imported it into the CAD program and I adjusted it, made it longer. That's the sort of stuff I can do. Now I want to make original prints and sell them. That would be friggin' awesome. And so that's the end goal, is to make things that people want to buy so I can make a bit of extra money. And who knows, one day I'll probably even have 2 or 3 of these things, or even different sorts of ones, like a resin one, which is more accurate for smaller things. I'm pretty well wrapped into this. I'm loving it. So I'm going to have another look at different ones, but that's in the future. But right now I'm going to be happy with this one, if it's still there. Bloody hope it is. Now the cost of these things, they're pretty damn good for the tech these days. This one here, it's about 280 delivered, and it actually came all the way from Melbourne. The bed size is 220 millimeters by 220 millimeters. I think the height is actually 225 or something, but that's pretty damn good. So what I want to ask you guys is, what would you like to have made? And it doesn't have to be for your motorbike, it could be for anything. What sort of thing that you can't get anywhere else, can't buy these things, not easily anyway, or repair something, whatever. Tell me what you'd like. I'm not saying I'm going to make them. It's just a thing out of interest to see what sort of things that people actually did want, that maybe I could look at as a project one day. Right, so what I'll do, we'll do the time warp thing. We'll skip ahead to the future, and we'll see if it's there at the doorstep. Here we go. Let's see if it's there. Yes. All right, there it is. You've seen it or not. I can't tell the future, remember. And all right then, catch us later. Be nice to each other, and let me know what you want made. Or would you buy something?